Hey, what's up, guys? Mad Lion 843 back again with another video. Hey, guys, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch the video. In this video, I want to kind of share just a little bit about my journey to getting the Hummer H2. I'm sure some of you may have seen the video that I made about the speakers when I upgraded the speakers in the Hummer H2. But I wanted to kind of talk to you about how I got the Hummer and just some things of how I always just really wanted a Hummer. So I always wanted a Hummer back when they came out in '03. Wasn't in a position to buy a Hummer then because we all know they were super expensive. Um, and so recently, and I say recently, about 6, 7 months ago, I really started actively looking for a Hummer. I knew I wanted either a 2008 or 2009 with the Sedona interior, as you can see behind me. Had to have the Sedona interior. There were a lot out there with the black interior, but not many out there with the Sedona interior. So I wanted that Sedona interior. So I searched and I went through every marketplace that you can think of. Facebook Marketplace, Let Go, Offer Up, Car Gurus, Auto Trader, all the different outlets. So I looked around and I found a couple, and like we all know, some things aren't necessarily as described or as advertised. So I had to X those off the list, which was kind of disappointing. So I just kept and I just continued my search, and I didn't want to settle or become complacent with my options. So I kept looking. I ended up finding one, actually on the Facebook Marketplace in Philadelphia. So I contacted the guy, and he still had it. We exchanged emails, and he sent me photos. He sent me videos, and I was going to have it shipped, but he was so confident in the vehicle, he wanted me to come take a look at it before I actually made the purchase. So I went up to Philly, took a look at the truck, test drove it, loved it, had it shipped back to Georgia. So ended up with it, got it home. Of course, you know, it's a 2008, so it's not in perfect condition. Wasn't hurting or anything, but it's a 2008 12-year-old truck, so wasn't in perfect condition. Had some paint issues that I didn't like and so forth like that. So with all that being said, that's kind of leading me up to what I wanted to talk to you guys about. So I've been thinking about getting a liquid wrap for the truck, and I thought about getting your regular traditional wrap, but once I started pricing them, I was just like, man, these things are super expensive, and particularly with this size truck. So I said, well, let me look into the liquid wrap. So started looking into the liquid wraps, and they were a little more within my budget. So I said, hey, so I talked to a couple of guys and that would do the liquid wrap. I finally found a guy that I felt comfortable with, and so we talked about it. He gave me a quote, and so I said, hey, I'm going to get it done. I wanted to get a liquid wrap in like a matte black or some color like that, and change up the rims on the truck. So I'm going to get the truck wrapped. I'm going to show you guys a quick video clip of what the truck looks like now, what it looks like stock, and then I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like after it's wrapped. So stay tuned. You guys want to drop a comment in the comment section, like the video, subscribe to the video, but stay tuned. I'll be right back. guys, I'm back. So as you see, the truck is bone stock. So there's nothing done to it. Stock wheels, stock tires, stock paint job. Everything is just how the truck came. So after you see the video that I'm going to show, when I have it liquid wrapped, it'll be totally transformed. It'll be a totally different truck. It's going to have wheels and tires, of course, the liquid wrap. I plan to put a tire carrier on the back because I like that rugged look of how it looks with the tire carrier on the back. So going to do some things, and I'll make some additional videos about the exact mods that I'm doing, but I just want to show you guys what it looked like wrapped because I was curious to see what it looked like wrapped. And in some other videos, I'll show you about the sound system that I did, my head unit, and the amplifier and my subwoofers that are in the truck. So a lot of exciting things to come, guys. So stay tuned. And if you're excited about seeing the new wrap and what the truck looks like when it's been transformed, here we go. Woo, okay, guys. I hope you were excited as I am when I first seen the truck. So, hey, like I said, it couldn't have turned out any better. Then it's almost like my thought process went directly into the truck, and exactly how I pictured it in my head is exactly how it looks now. Again, I have some other mods that I want to do, but hey, this is a good start, a good stepping stone for me to kind of build it and get the truck exactly how I want it. So again, guys, hey, let me know in the comment section. Let me know, like, subscribe. Let me know in the comment section, hey, if you like it or if you don't like it. So I want to know. But again, I think that it turned out exceptionally well. And shout out to my boy Scott that did the rap. I mean, I couldn't expect it to turn out any better. So, hey guys, again, like, comment, subscribe, share. I want to grow the channel. I have a lot of content, some mods coming. Of course, you guys know that I have the Dodge Challenger 392 SRT doing mods to it. I got some things coming to the channel for it. So, hey guys, help me grow the channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, Mad Lion 843, I'm out.